and also Air Force Belfast school's case, the DPS school's case. What happened? A 9th standard student took a picture of his one of his girlfriend from his school itself and edited it and published it, sent it through mobile phones, first using Bluetooth device. One of the student uploaded it to the internet and get it circulated everywhere. So that's a problem. Other major threat is child pornography. Now with the new IT Act, our IT law will cover our land Advocate Shyam. So you will know what will happen in this child pornography. This is the main offense in our new amended IT Act. Earlier there was no child pornography. Now it is the child pornography. So persons, people under the age of 18. Recently you read a news in all the newspapers. One Dutch national was arrested in Chennai 1 month back because he is uploading lot of pornographic videos and photos through one of the websites. That IP was traced by the German police, and German police transferred this information to the Interpol, and Interpol given to Chennai police. Chennai police finally arrested that Dutch national. Earlier there is also another case of cis couple arrested in Mumbai. Cis couple came to Mumbai and collected the street children and giving some foods and things and collected their nude photos and uploading in the website. So that also is multi-million business in the websites. You heard about pedophiles. The adult persons who are using this type of sexual crime against children, we call them as pedophiles. How many of you got you won lotteries out of this? How many of you won international lottery? Only this much? Mobile lottery or in mail lottery? Email and mobile. Earlier it was only in email. Now it is in mobile. So this is the main issue now. This is not an issue, but the thing is that our greed. Our people are very greedy. That is why the persons are going behind that. You are getting a message or SMS message that you won an international lottery, it's a BMW lottery, it is Shell Petroleum lottery, it is Yahoo promotion lottery, or Microsoft lottery, Japan lottery, Euro lottery. There are a lot of lotteries are daily coming, and you are one of the winners selected from the mail ID or your mobile number. What is the next procedure? We have a case in the large maximum amount. I have lot of cases with me, but the maximum amount I found in Kerala. One person in Chenganur, last month itself, he sent more than 69.5 lakhs rupees to this lottery. Before that, one guy in Kannur, he gave 40 lakhs rupees. He an ex-Gulf person, one Sharif. In that case, we arrested that Nigerian from Mumbai. So he lost 40 lakhs, but this case, the later case, he lost 69.5 lakhs. How they are losing the money? First you received a mail that you won this lottery, so and so lottery. You have to inform your bank account number, your mail ID, your personal details, your passport number, so ID proof like that. First time there is no money. So after you sending this message, they have said that okay, we received so and so information. For transferring this money from the foreign country to India, we need some transferring charge, 50,000 rupees. You just send that one. So you are getting 25 lakhs euros and 25 lakhs dollars. So 50,000 is a small amount. You first send 50,000. What will happen? They said, okay, we received the 50,000. As per our policy, we need an insurance certificate for this amount. So for that insurance, you send 1 lakh rupees. You are again sending 1 lakh rupees. They said, okay, we received the insurance money. This is your insurance. You will get a scanned copy of your insurance certificate. What will happen next? They said that for you are from an Indian Asian country. For all the Asian country, there is a policy that anti-terrorism certificate is needed. So for that anti-terrorism, this format you have to fill the format and send your photo with the fees 3 lakhs rupees for the anti-terrorism certificate. You are sending again 3 lakhs for the anti-terrorism certificate. After that, they said that okay, we are sending this money through shipment, so need a customs clearance charge for again 5 lakhs rupees. After 5 lakhs rupees, they said that okay, our money is ready, we are sending. But the thing is that as per Indian law, you have to pay tax. So you can avoid the tax. We are sending some of our diplomats to India. So our diplomats will come in either in Mumbai or Delhi and will call you. So you have to pay this 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs in his hand or in his account in India. So he will deliver the money. They will send a photo of this diplomat with this dollar in a box. So you saw that 25,000 lakhs or dollar is there. So what will happen? The person will come. In the Kannur case, the person actually come from Nigeria to this Kannur and his house, and he said that this is the dollar. It's in black color. So what he demanded? He said that these are some chemicals needed to make it white. So you have to again give 2 lakhs. He again gave 2 lakhs and he went to Mumbai and came back with some powder and poured some water and powder along over this black dollar, but it never white. So he said that this powder is not correct. So I want another powder. I will take another powder. You just again give me 2 lakhs. He take this another 2 lakhs and vanish. So this is this type of he lost 40 lakhs. It is not a story. This is a real case. So recently, 2 days before, one employee in Kerala, excise, he came that he is retiring in the next March. He take all the money from his PF account and give 7.5 lakhs rupees for this lottery scam. So this is happening every time, but the person, we are informing to all the medias and the newspapers, but still it is increasing. You know that phishing. How many of you have online? You got a posting through online also. But the thing is that you will be liable because you take 10% of the money. So once you have one of this beneficiary, you will be accused. So this type of mails, money mule creation. So type of crimes. This lottery amount also is depositing in this type of accounts. So how you can find out that whether a website is secured or not? If you just look on this first one, this is a not secured site. But if a secured site, there will be a padlock under the taskbar. A padlock will be there. So if the padlock is there, it is. But the persons imitating the site also creating a padlock image. When mirror copying, the padlock will be there. But you just click put the mouse on that, then it is shown that SSL secured. It is 128 bit. If you double click, you will get a certificate. So this is validated. Then you can find that whether you can verify that whether it is a valid HTTPS, it's a valid or secured site or not. It's a Nigerian scam. This is a phishing scam. Everybody knows that the Nigerian person. So recently, we arrested one Nigerian in one of our cases, and we visited the area in Mumbai. We found that there is a place called Mira Road. There are more than 300 Nigerians are staying in the very shabby places, but all of them having laptops with wireless connection. These guys are daily sending spam messages, these scam messages, lottery messages to everywhere and collecting money. So these guys came as some merchants, like cloth merchants, but they are not doing any cloth business, but they are doing this type of business. Sometimes you get a mail that I am a girl or I am boy. All of my parents and all of my relatives died in an accident. I have a huge amount of money in my name. I want to transfer this money to India. If you are interested, give your bank account. I will give 50% of this money to you. That also, the same thing happened. They are demanding forwarding transfer charge and insurance charge like that. Recently, on an interesting case in Ernakulam, Kodanadu, one electricity board engineer, he is victim of one of the cyber crime. What happened? He was an unmarried guy. He got an email from a lady stating that she is unmarried woman and showing her photo. Like you heard about a Russian wife scam. It is called a Russian wife scam. So this lady sent an email to this guy if you are interested, I also want an Indian guy for marriage. I have a lot of money in my account. She sent this fixed deposit paper like that. There are more than 14 lakhs or 4,000 crores of amount in her account. And she sent a lot of photos to this guy. And after 1, 2, 3 mails and chatting, she demanding some money to transfer all this money to India. This guy first sent 1 lakh rupees, then 1.5 lakhs rupees like last month totally he spent more than 6.5 lakh rupees. Then he knows that this is a cheating. We are investigating the reason that this is a Nigerian scam. This lady is not a real person. This is a Nigerian person sitting behind that and sending this one. So you will get this type of mails. Sometimes they are sending photos or passport images. So don't register in the unwanted site with your email ID. What will happen? Sometimes you are just going some site visiting. They are demanding just to enter your email ID. That is their demand. If you are entering your email ID, they will take the information. That is the thing. So what will happen? Sometimes they are asking for a password, not your email password. But most of these guys and girls are sending their own email password. They are asking for a different password, but we are already normally we are entering our original password, but that time our email will be compromised. Google promotion, UK lottery, national lottery, online auction frauds. This is another interesting case in Thrissur from one of this BTech student. What happened? He posted his laptop for sale in an eBay website. So one lady came for purchasing. I think on Rashida